Hello and welcome. My name is Pete Warner and I teach English to students within the International Facility Management program, as well as helping students in their final year as they take on their Bachelor thesis.
Hi, my name is Sophie and I'm in my fourth year of the International Facility Management program here at BUas.
Breda University of Applied Sciences is a medium-sized higher education institute in Breda. More than 7,000 students from roughly 80 countries are studying on our beautiful campus at BUas. Here we offer professional and academic bachelor's and master's programs in the following domains. We prepare students for management level positions in an international setting by working together closely with leading institutes and partners from all over the world. As a result, there are many opportunities for student exchanges and international internships. In this video, we will be talking about facility management and the role of facility managers. A graduate in facility management can lead the organization of a company's facilities in any industry, anywhere around the world. We help you develop an international mindset. This starts with the program being taught in English, having international students in the classroom, and having either international lecturers or lecturers with international work experience. Together we strive to make the people in any industry better, happier and healthier. As well as developing your mindset, we will give you the tools and experience to become the best version of yourself in your professional career. Through real-life assignments, case studies and an international placement, we will get you ready to launch your career. Your career might involve managing any of the following environments. You might start working in a sports arena. Think of all the things that need to be managed there, such as ticketing, landscaping and grass, maintenance for screens and lights, catering, crowd management, security, or even logistics. Or an office building. Think of the important things there that help people work comfortably and effectively, such as the Wi-Fi, workplaces, cleaning, reception, and security. But also think of how you can strategically manage an office building by looking into the design of workplaces. Or what about hospitals, which cannot function without clean rooms, efficient waste management, a good linen supply, security, nutrition, and quality maintenance. This could be your future role. On top of this wide range of opportunities, today more than ever, the choices we make in all areas of our personal and business lives must consider the impact they have on the people and world around us. So facility managers take pride in making sustainability an important factor in their decision making, not only improving the workspace, but helping make the world a better place, full stop. Your first year is divided into 2 semesters. Each semester you complete your courses or projects with a final deliverable. This can be a presentation, exam, report, or even video. During the first 1.5 years, you will mainly be here at our beautiful campus here in Breda. You will follow courses such as operations management, marketing, research and design, and many more. You will also be encouraged to focus on self-development in our management development program. Not only your professional development, but also personal. Another important part of this program is that it offers many moments for one-on-one guidance with a coach. The second part of your studies consists of a 6-month international placement, with a chance to choose from one of many exciting destinations and companies. It also involves various projects that prepare you for your final graduation project, the Bachelor thesis. Our practical courses are taught at our learning company, Sibilicious. Sibilicious has a restaurant, visitor centre and various catering outlets, as well as providing banqueting services. Here, you will enjoy hands-on experience and practice everything you have learned in class. However, learning doesn't only happen in the classroom and on campus. You will also visit companies throughout the Netherlands, take part in various study trips in and outside the Netherlands, and work on real-life projects for facility businesses. Well, let's hear more about the personal student experience from Sophie.
As I'm in my fourth year already, I have many nice moments to reflect on here at BUas. But my favorite memory from year 1 is working in the kitchen of Sibilicious alongside my friends. Another great memory was the study trip to London in my first year. We visited companies where we got a sneak peek behind the facility services, got a tour around the Royal Albert Hall, and luckily still had some spare time to explore the city. During my second year, I did my internship at Royal Philips Healthcare at their real estate department. This department oversees almost all offices and buildings that Philips occupies globally. This was an amazing opportunity to also expand my network internationally, as I got to interview colleagues from Australia, Japan, Panama, America and many more countries. Currently, I'm in my personalization semester, where I chose to work as research assistant for one of the facility researchers. This is the perfect opportunity to expand my knowledge, learning how to do proper research and write academic papers. This will definitely prepare me for the master I'm planning to do after I finish my bachelor's degree. My work as research assistant is also a good example of the personal and small-scale education I receive here. I can always ask the researcher or any of my lecturers for help, and they are more than willing to have a chat over a cup of coffee to discuss my questions. I love the atmosphere here on campus. It almost feels like home, because I meet up with my friends here, we eat here, and they know exactly who I am. More options for personalization are, for instance, doing a minor or an internship. One of the things that helped me feel at home is the fact that I got assigned a study coach at the start of my first year. My study coach helped me through the years whenever I encountered any problems and always helped me investigate possibilities to overcome any obstacles during my study. But next to only being on campus, I also love the city of Breda. I grew up not far from here, in Oosterhout, but I have also explored far more areas and different sides of Breda when I started studying here. I eventually moved here and joined student association Koch. There's a very vibrant student life in Breda and there's always something fun to do. My absolute favorite memory would be officially opening our campus alongside Jorrit Snijder, the president of the executive board here at BUas, and Paul Depla, the mayor of Breda. And of course, I cherish all the wonderful friendships I made during my studies here, which are friendships that I'm sure will last a lifetime. I knew from the start that I wanted to study something related to management. I've always been very structured and organized, and I like coordinating. Working together with people and being a key figure within an organization, that's what I liked then and what I still want to do in my future career. That's why this management studies fit me perfectly. Even more, the International Facility Management program. I like the international opportunities BUas provides, like company visits abroad during study trips and the internship possibilities they offer. Also, the international guest speakers which come to campus are very inspiring. In addition to this, the personal character quite spoke to me. It might be a cliché, but you really are a name here and not a number. When other lecturers and students pass me in the hallway, they always say hello and stop for a chat now and then. When I graduate in July 2023, hopefully, I will probably first do a master's degree, and then I would love to work for a large international company in a management function, and perhaps even work abroad.
Before deciding what to study, think about what excites you. What makes you jump out of bed in the morning? Is it working together with people and making sure that they're happy? Might it be working for a company where a day will never be the same? With a degree in facility management, you can become a manager in any international or local business. Within any organization, such as an airport, conference venue, the headquarters of a big multinational, or any other service-minded business. But also think about your local authority or hospital. They all have one thing in common. Their buildings, workplaces and facilities must be organized and maintained to provide the most effective and comfortable working environment for those working there. Our graduates are not all facility managers, however. We have graduates now working all around the world, performing all kinds of different roles as shown. And you will meet some of them during your studies here, as many alumni return to BUas as a guest lecturer, assessor or coach to share their expertise and experience with the managers of the future. When I picture some of our graduates, I see those in roles from the facility manager at Netflix and Google in Amsterdam, not only involved in organizing the facilities there, but also the business decisions these companies make. The list of roles and companies is endless. There are also many who have even returned to our campus to teach the next generations of facility managers. Our 4-year program gives you room to explore your own interests and helps you specialize in that area and progress in that direction. After you complete your bachelor's in facility management, you can also decide to continue studying. For example, by studying a master's, either here at BUas or at another university. For those considering applying for our program, a background in economics in your school portfolio is a must, as well as a Dutch high school level of English. Please also note that all non-Dutch will require a certificate to prove their level of English. Dutch students must also have graduated with a diploma from either MBO, HAVO or VWO education. All applicants must apply before the 1st of May via StudyLink. Please check our website for further details. Your application process starts in StudyLink. Go to BUas website to the Facility Management program, click on Admission, and there it explains very detailed what you must do correctly to apply for our program. You must take a few steps, including the study choice activities, which help you see if it's a good match for you. Dutch students will come to campus to meet us live, and non-Dutch students will follow this process online. Non-Dutch students will also need to upload your previous study documents, like diplomas and certificates, including your most recent list of grades and your English proficiency. Please ensure you submit your application before the deadline, which is the 1st of May. There are many frequently asked questions, so I thought I'd ask Sophie while we have her here. First of all, so how much does the program cost?
Well, that information can be found on the BUas website on the Facility Management page. Remember that on top of the tuition fee, there are costs for your uniform, books, practical tools, study trips, and your business attire, which you will need for all study years.
And how many facility management students are there?
So there are approximately 350 facility management students, and there is about 80 to 100 students starting each year.
And for those who aren't yet sure about their study options, what are they?
Well, we start in September, but the length of your study might differ, depending on your educational background and experience. The standard program is 4 years, but we also offer a 3-year fast-track program. For detailed information, check the website under Study Overview, Study Tracks.
And what kinds of different people choose to study facility management?
Well, all sorts of different people. If you want to make people work better, happier and healthier, you're at the right place here.
And so what makes facility management at BUas unique?
To summarize it once more, the things that I feel make BUas unique are the international character, the strong link to the facility management industry, and the fact that it's small scale, so there's a focus on your personal growth. We hope this webinar has answered many of your questions. However, you might still have a few questions we didn't tackle in this video.
In that case, please don't hesitate to contact us. We're here to help you find the study program that suits you best. And of course, Sophie and I hope you choose International Facility Management, and that we will see you here next year at our campus in Breda.
Thank you for watching.